Oh, if it ain't too much bother, could you be my wife so we could spend this life being happy ever after? And if you'd grant me the honor, I'd be your man and do the best damn job I can to make sure that you're happy ever after. It never has to end.
Napakabuti ng Diyos dahil naririto tayo para saksihan ng isang mahalaga, isang espesyal na araw sa inyong buhay. Sa simbahan na ito, sa parokya ni San Juan Nepomuceno sa bayan ng Alfonso, itinakda upang magtali ang inyong puso.
Before we met, I used to drink too much. I didn't sleep enough.
Ito na yung araw na pinakahintay natin.
But I only
Ang
found
tagal natin ito pinagplano. So lagi mo lang tatandaan na mahal na mahal kita. Nandito lang ako.
that I was worried I'd be waiting.
Suportahan kita through up and downs. Hindi ako matitibag sa kahit anong pagsubok natin. Mahal na mahal kita. Love you so much.
So if it ain't too much bother, could you be my wife so we could spend this?
Sa totoo lang, I used to be afraid of marriage. It even felt scarier than death. Because when it's the wrong one, pwede kang mamatay ilang libong beses. But with you, the sleep of faith doesn't feel like a risk. It feels like coming home.
Never has to end.
Pinapangako ko na magiging katuwang mo ko sa lahat. Pinapangako ko din na magiging sayo ko buong buo, tapat at magpakailanman.
I used to keep all kinds of comfort. Mistakes you make, you're you. Cause there was so much that I couldn't see until the day I met you. And I used
Mommy, thank you. Alam mo naman yun. Always, ha? Lagi ko pinagpapasalamat yan.
Thank you sa lahat ng payo niya sa akin, lahat ng pagalit, lahat ng pagmamahal. Sa loob ng 28 years, hindi man ako showy, pero alam niyo na mahal ko kayo. Tandaan niyo lang lagi.
spend this life being happy ever after. And if you'd grant
Thank you for loving the messy, imperfect, and guarded parts of me. Tayo ni Cassie yung pinakamagandang regalo na binigay niya sa akin. And I thank him every day for this gift.
there ain't too much bother, be my wife. We could spend this life being happy ever after. And if you grant me the honor, be your man, do the best damn job I can to make sure that you're happy ever after. Never has to end.
Ang galing nga eh. Nakuha ni Tatay Edgar talaga yung gusto kong style. Hindi niya tinipid, oh. Talagang lahat, oh. Kaya kanina, emotional ako nung nakita ko to. Pinilit kong pigilan. Kasi sobrang ganda, tas yun, parang sa ko, shit, eto na. Ito na talaga.
You're more than your body or the sum of your scars. You deserve someone to hold you and love you just as
Irish Camille, baby. Andito ako ngayon sa iyong harapan para sabihin na buong puso kung gaano kita kamahal.
you wanna feel.
And gaano ko saya na sa araw na to. Pinapangako ko sa iyo na ilagalang kita, susuportahan. Kapalagaan kung ano ka ngayon at sa hinaharap ka.
You're afraid, but I swear I won't leave. You've heard that before, oh, that wasn't me. Every promise I make is a promise I
Mark Joshua, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito pang makaisang dibdib? Si Irish Camille na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm gonna love you, and you'll be.
Pinapangako kong patuloy kitang pipiliin sa mga araw na masaya at malungkot sa bawat paglago natin at ipapaalala sa iyo kung gaano kita kamahal. Pamahalin kita at papalagan kita ngayon, bukas at magpahilan. Love you.
Love you too.
I know you're afraid, but I swear I won't leave. Yeah, you've heard that before. Oh, that wasn't me. Every promise I make is a promise I keep. And if it takes you a lifetime, then that's what you need. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, that's what.
And now that I found my home in you, I'm never leaving. Mahal na mahal kita at masaya ako na ikaw ang asawa ko.
Oh, I'm going nowhere. I'm here to stay. I'm standing beside you till the end of our days, darling. And that's never gonna change.
Irish Camille, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mark Joshua na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Every promise I make is a promise I keep. And if it takes you a lifetime for you to believe me, well, I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, that's what I'll do. Oh yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm gonna love you.
Mark Joshua, you may now kiss your bride.
And you'll be the proof. I'm gonna love you, and you'll be the proof.